everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a DIY I'm going to make. I'm participating in the Useful DIY Challenge that is hosted by MomDas Live channel and Bambia DIY's channel. The link to the channel is in the description box below. I really encourage you to visit both channels because they are really very creative. I love both of them. They have great ideas and you won't be disappointed. And thanks to both of them for hosting the challenge. The challenge is about making something that is useful and that is intended for a loved one. So I came up with the idea of using this small clipboard that I already had to make this kind of calendar and chalkboard for my daughter. I painted it in white, just the front, not the back, and now I'm distressing it with this liquid shoe polish in color brown. You can find it at Dollar Tree, not this one. When I went to Dollar Tree that day, I needed it, I couldn't wait, and they didn't have it in my Dollar Tree, at my Dollar Tree. So I went it and bought it from Family Dollar. I paid $2 for this one, but you can find it for $1 at Dollar Tree, and it's really, really easy to use. I always try a little bit in another surface, and I just do some strokes. Sorry. And that's it for me. You can do this or not, whatever you want. You can paint the clipboard whatever color you like. I printed the calendar with my computer. It was really easy to do. And I'm going to place it here. Like so. Then I have this chalkboard paper, self-adhesive, kind of contact. The one I use always, I've been using it for a couple of years so far for different DIYs, and I find it really, really great. And I will try to leave the link in the description box also. I buy it from Amazon, and I pay like $7 or so for this. It's a lot of paper, a lot. I use this punch, to round the corners, and now I'm going to apply the paper here. Hopefully I will be able to remove it, the protector, easily, because it's easy, but when you're on camera things never go. Oh yes, here. Okay, I made a couple of marks to have a kind of a guideline, so I know where I want to place my chalkboard paper. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not perfect as you see, but doesn't matter. Now I'm going to use a white marker. This is one I use frequently, Galaxy marker by American Crafts. And I'm going to trace some lines in the border. like so. And some dots. Really easily, nothing too fancy. That's it. And the last thing I'm going to do is to add this burlap ribbon bow that I made. And I'm using the glue gun. And I'm going to cover the brand of the clipboard. Just pressing. And that's it. I use a marker to do the borders, but this is really chalkboard, so you can use a chalk to write on it. And this is it. Very quickly, very easy, and I really like it. I really like it, and I know my daughter will like it too. I think she will use it maybe in her kitchen or maybe on her desk on her home office. So I hope you like this idea. Maybe it will inspire you to do something for a loved one and participate in this challenge. Check the playlist that will be on the description below also, so you can watch all the videos of all the people who are going to participate in this challenge, and you will get more wonderful ideas. Thanks again to both hostess of this challenge. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, ring the bell to get notified whenever I upload a new one. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.